Shalom, and welcome to Biblical Hebrew 101. In today's video, we'll dive into the Shema prayer. The Shema prayer is considered by many to be the most important prayer to the Jewish people. The Shema is recited twice daily, once in the morning after waking up, and at nighttime before going to bed. The Shema consists of 3 biblical passages. The first, from Deuteronomy 6, emphasizes loving God with all your heart, soul, and might, and teaching these words to your children. The second passage, from Deuteronomy 11, speaks of the rewards for following God's commandments, such as rain and abundance, and the consequences of turning away. And the third passage, from Numbers 15, introduces the mitzvah of tzitzit, ritual fringes that serve as a constant reminder of God's commandments. Let's begin with the first verse. Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. Shema, here, Shema, Israel, 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 Adonai, the Lord, Adonai, Eloheinu, our God, Eloheinu, Adonai, the Lord, Echad, is one, Echad. The first verse of the Shema is considered the most essential declaration of the Jewish faith. You will notice that 2 letters are larger than the other, the Ain and the Dalet. Together they spell the word Ed, which means witness, because we are God's witnesses in this world. The next verse is usually said quietly with a whisper. Baruch Shem Kvod Malchuto Leolam Vaed. Baruch, blessed. Baruch, Shem, the name of. Shem, Kvod, the honor of. Kvod, Malchuto, his kingdom. Malchuto, Leolam Vaed, forever and ever. Leolam Vaed. ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך בכל לבבך ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודך. ואהבת, and you shall love, ואהבת את אדוני, the Lord, את אדוני, אלוהיך, your God, אלוהיך, בכל, with all, בכל, לבביך, your heart, לבביך, ובכל, and with all, ובכל, נפשך, your soul, נפשך, ובכל, and with all, ובכל, מאודך, your might, מאודך, והיו הדברים האלה אשר אנוכי מצווך היום על לבביך. והיו, and will be, והיו, הדברים, the words, הדברים האלה, these, האלה, אשר, which, אשר, אנוכי, I, אנוכי, מצווך, command you, מצווך, היום, today, היום, על, upon, על, לבבך, your heart, לבבך, ושיננתם לבניך ודיברת בם, בשבתך, בביתך, ובלכתך, בדרך, ובשוכבך, ובקומך. ושיננתם, and you shall teach, ושיננתם, לבניך, to your sons, לבניך, ודיברת, and you shall speak, ודיברת, בם, to them, בם, בשבתך, as you sit, בשבתך, בביתך, in your house, בביתך, ובלכתך, and as you walk, ובלכתך, בדרך, in the way, בדרך, ובשוכבך, and as you lie down, ובשוכבך, ובקומך, and as you rise up, ובקומך, וקשרתם לאות על ידיך, והיו לטוטפות בין עיניך. וקשרתם, and you shall bind them, וקשרתם, לאות, for a sign, לאות, על, upon, על, ידיך, your hand, ידיך, והיו, and they shall be, והיו, לטוטפות, for fortlets, לטוטפות, בין, between, בין, עיניך, your eyes, עיניך, וכתבתם על מזוזות ביתך ובשעריך. וכתבתם, and you shall write them, וכתבתם, על, upon, על, מזוזות, the doorposts, מזוזות, ביתך, of your house, ביתך, ובשעריך, and on your gates, ובשעריך. This concludes the first passage of the Shema prayer. On the next video, we'll continue to the second passage. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.